I just bought this one at foreclosure behind me, sight unseen. What do y'all think about it? Give me your thoughts real quick before I give you mine. From looking at it, I don't think I feel real good about this one. Come on. Not too good. Here's the plan. 2016 mobile home. My thinking is, because it's newer, I'm gonna go in, try to do a fast cleanup and put this thing right back on the market. That's what I'm here to do today right now, is determine, can I do that? Now, as I mentioned, I purchased this one sight unseen. I had not seen it previously. Everything looked good without looking at it in person, but I'm here today to find out just what I bought. So y'all come on, we're gonna start and we're gonna look around the yard first. I see I got a burn barrel right here. We'll get that cleaned up. I see I've got some overgrown shrubs around this house. Usually that's not the best sign. Now, a foreclosed property, I don't expect it to look good, but some properties that I purchased in the past that are foreclosed, sometimes certain individuals will leave a property in decent shape. And sometimes when the shrubs have not been cut, I know right off that property has been let go. And from what I've seen, that's not a good sign. But let's look around the yard here. So this underpinning is not too bad. I may be able to spot replace some of it. I know right off these steps right here, trash, going in the trash. I'm coming back with new steps on the front of this home. So what I'm looking at as usual, is there anything here that I can put back toward the budget? Anything valuable? Left me a playhouse, a basketball goal, an old pool, a trampoline, and quite a bit of junk back here we'll check out. What is this? Looks like some type of Christmas decor, an old desk. Looks like a swing set, and just a lot of trash. Some old tires, an old dishwasher. I don't see much value there. Let's see what's in this storage building. I see we got a big hole to fill in right here, a dead tree. I'll get that tree out of here. That doesn't look good. Newer storage building. Can't tell if there's any valuables in it here. Looks like a good bit of trash, but this storage building, this is a nice newer storage building. Not many valuables in the yard that I see. All right, this is a 2016 built home. The plan was to be able to run right through and clean it up. Only 9 years old. I normally wouldn't expect to do much to one like this, so that's what I'm hoping for, but we're about to find out right now just what it is. All right, all right. Odor factor, 1 to 10, 10. I smell dog, strong dog. Looks like it's been trashed just from looking at the living area here. And the dogs have just been living in here without supervision. Just what I'm seeing so far. Not too good. Now what I'm wondering is, does it just look bad on the surface? Can I quickly clean this up? So that's what I'm looking at. I'm not feeling real good, but it might not be that bad. All the walls look good. These walls don't look like they need to be painted. Master bedroom here, dog poop everywhere. Disgusting. Carpet is not good. It has got to go. And I think that's what's really holding that odor. Master bath, looks like the rats have got in here too. Oh, nasty. The walls look good though, I like that. This tub, what in the world? Not good. Looks like they tried to patch a hole with duct tape. I got a hole right here they covered in duct tape. Wonder what happened there. This is a newer home, newer tub. That tub's not gonna patch, that tub's gotta go. Well, that's one thing I really wasn't wanting to do here on a newer home like this. For the price I paid, as I mentioned, I was really planning on running through this house, cleaning it out, and going right back on market. So any additional big things that I have to do, I'm not quite where I want to be on the budget, or I wasn't quite expecting it. That being one of them. Closet here, oh man, I feel like I've got something on my feet. Not too bad, ceiling walls look good. Other than the filth, not too bad. Kitchen, oh man, pretty nasty. Appliances are gone. That there, not good. I may have to install a new countertop. Again, a house like this, I was not really wanting to install new countertops. Considering what I paid and the age, a lot of filth and trash. Walls, ceiling, not terrible in here outside of the pure filth. Oh my goodness. I feel like I keep stepping in poop. What in the world? I like that picture on the wall there. Horse picture, that's a nice picture there. That could be sold for something. Speaking of horses. All right, these two bedrooms, yeah, gross. And dog turds everywhere. Goodness gracious. All these dog turds, what in the world? This looks like a kennel in the house. Yeah. What do y'all think happened here? I don't know. That much? I bet there was a dog left unattended in this bedroom. And I guess he either got out of his cage or when he was left unattended, he wasn't put back in his cage. And I see I got a good bit of damage right here. What it looks like to me is he was trying to get out. The door was closed and he damaged this wall trying to get out. This one is not good, but I can see through it. My plan when I purchased this was to come in, run through it quick, and go right back on the market. After seeing it, that plan's not quite gonna happen, but it's not too bad. New countertops, new carpet, fix that tub, and it's not gonna patch. I'm gonna have to put a new one in. Fix the wall, pressure wash all the way around the exterior, clean up this yard, I'll have this one back on the market. With all these things, I'm probably looking at about additional 10 to 15,000, could go higher. I'm gonna keep y'all updated on that. My overall thoughts on this one, should I have bought it? After seeing it, yeah. Am I excited about it? Not really. It's another one to put my team to work on and have back on the market soon. Sometimes, if I don't make a big profit, I just like to be able to keep my team busy and do something rather than nothing. As far as all this poop and urine in here, from what I've seen, it's mainly on the carpet. There's padding underneath the carpet. So hopefully it's absorbed that. We'll be able to pull the carpet right out and take the smell out of this house. But we'll see. When we get the carpet out, if it still has a smell in here, we'll see just about what we may need to do next. Projected timeline on this one, 30 days or less. With those things I mentioned, this is a newer built home. We should be able to get right in here, knock these things out. The big thing that's gonna save me time is the ceiling and the walls, not really having to do anything with there, not having to paint the house with the exception of the few areas I have to replace drywall. Take a look at it, the finished product. Underpinning, new underpinning all the way around. I ended up going with black metal. There was a lot of trash out here, all gone now. Take a look at it. Now I gotta tell y'all a story about this pool back here. What I am proud of is how this one turned out. The budget, we'll talk about that at the end of the video. Come on.